This is Ken Thompson Park. As you guys can see, there's several skis also launching. I really love my Sea-Doo. I thought I had more hours than I actually did. I checked yesterday and I only have 117 hours on this 2022 RXTX, and I love this thing. Beautiful day here in Sarasota. We're not going to be out here for too long. There is some weather coming our direction here at some point later this afternoon, so we want to make sure that we are back at the dock and you know, back in our vehicles by the time the storm comes. But this is amazing, guys. Look at other people out there living the Sea-Doo life. Where do you want to go? Do you want to go to our spot by the chart house? All right, we're gonna go check out this spot, guys. It's been years since we've been out there. For those of you guys that are new to the channel, do me a favor. If this is the kind of content that you like, smash that subscribe button. Man, it feels so good to be back out here after such a long time. Water looks beautiful. Water looks awesome, doesn't it?
Yeah.
There's just something about living where people vacation. I mean, don't get me wrong, you still have the hustle of everyday life, right? Like work and everything else, but it's just so nice to know that when you're not working, you have so many ways of decompressing, and this is just one of the ways that we like to do it. We are now in Longboat Key. So this right here on the left-hand side, this is called the Squadron. It is a sailing club. Actually, friends of ours are members. Their kids sail for their sailing team. This whole area took a lot of damage during Milton, but it is slowly recovering. It is my understanding that at least most of the restaurants have already reopened down here, especially in the St. Armand Circle area, etc. But anyway, it just doesn't get old. It doesn't matter how often we're out here, guys, and this is just awesome. Really awesome. And I got to tell you guys, if there's any one of you guys out there that are dealing with like unwanted stress and things of that nature, you don't got to go out and buy something expensive. You don't need a Sea-Doo. You don't need anything like that. Just go out there, get outdoors, and just find something that you're passionate about. You know, even if it's just hiking somewhere or sitting down by a river. You know, we're not built for indoors, and I don't know, more and more, the more people that I talk to, I just feel like they spend too much time inside and they're not really taking advantage or capitalizing on all the beautiful things that the world has, and then they wonder why they're depressed and stressed and, you know, who knows what else. If you've been holding out and you keep saying, hey, one day I'm gonna get out there, just stop saying one day and just go do it. Seriously, just go do it. Anyway, we got the missus back there. This right here on the left of me, that is the old Salty Dog. It was shut down for quite a while after the hurricane, and I think there was like rumors that they weren't going to reopen, but there's people out there sitting and eating, so it's great news that they have finally reopened. This is the bridge that connects like St. Armand Circle, Bird Key, to Longboat Key, which is on the other side. And in case you guys are wondering why I'm going so slow, this is a no wake zone. So, and there are literally, I saw 2 police boats already while out here, which is more than I usually see. But anyway, if we go straight ahead, as you guys can see, the water clears up substantially up there. That is the Gulf of America. Right up there. Yes, or Gulf of Mexico, whatever some of you guys want to call it. It doesn't matter. We call it the Gulf. We are finally at a sandbar with our Sea-Doos. Like I said, after almost a year. This is my favorite anchor, by the way. It's the first anchor we got from Sandshark, and it's by far one of the best ones out there, I feel. All right, let's see. Got our little Bluetooth speaker here ready to go, guys. Look how beautiful this area is. Again, we are on Longboat Key. That is the chart house right here. Looks like the Gulf is fairly calm. See, ma'am, I told you I would get you out here one day. I think I just caught my lunch. Dude, he's heavy. He or she. How do you know the difference between a male clam and a female clam? It's a pretty nice size one. Pick it up.
I love it.
Pick how heavy it is. All right, we're gonna put him back in the water. No clams today. Let's go look at this crab here. He's quick. He does not want anything to do with me. Look, he's running underneath the skate. Where is he? Right there, you see him? He is fast. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we are done hanging out at this spot here. We are about to go for a little cruise on the Gulf. I feel like the tide's definitely dropping. Should be deep enough there.
I know, but I don't want to drift into the boat.
So this is an idle zone right here. Look at these beautiful homes, guys. One day I will own a home out here somewhere. Maybe not here necessarily, but somewhere on the water. Can you imagine waking up and just having your morning coffee while looking out, or maybe go out for a boat ride before work, do a little fishing? I don't know, man. That life seems pretty good. But look how beautiful it is over here, guys. Good. Here, we'll ride this guy's wake here. Guys, look at the water. This is amazing. Where, you see a crab? Oh yeah, we got a floating crab over here. A crab trying to float his way around here. The current here is crazy, you feel it?
Mm-hmm.
But, wow. Here, let me hop on.
Geez, that thing's alive.
Here we go. Ooh, I almost lost my pants. All right, get to the right. Ladies and gentlemen, so over here on the left we got Lido Beach. So this is North Lido Beach, where you guys see those coast guards at. There's a nice area there of shallow water where you can just stop back. Right up there, like water skiing shows. So I don't know if you guys can see that boat and those skis, but they're about to go on that ramp, I want to say. Let's see. Obviously not the boat, just the skiers. Here, let me see if I can zoom in a little better for you guys. Here we go. They're going to go up. think they're gonna go up?
Yeah.
There they go, there they go. They're going up the ramp.
Oh.
Nope, they did not go up the ramp. They must be warming up.